Hi there, hope you're doing great. Today we are going to talk about how to transfer cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Kraken. So, if you want to know more about it, please stay with me. Kraken Exchange is an exchange based on cryptocurrencies that was founded in 2011 by Jess Powell in America. This exchange started providing services to users and customers in 2013 after 2 years of testing and developing. This exchange was supporting a few list of coin in its trading, but after a while it increased its features in time. In this part, in shetcoiner, we are teaching you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Kraken. Number 1, log into your account in Kraken Exchange. Number 2, go to the funding section. Number 3, click on the deposit button. Number 4, select your desired cryptocurrency in the open list. Number 5, in this section, you need to click on the Generate New Address button. And number 6, copy the Kraken's wallet's address somewhere. Now you need to transfer cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Kraken. Number 1, log into your Coinbase account. Number 2, you need to go to the account section for seeing the cryptocurrencies that are supported in Coinbase. Number 3, select the cryptocurrency that you want. And if you are in the mobile version, you can enter the cryptocurrency sending section in Coinbase by clicking the send button at the beginning, and before selecting the cryptocurrency, then enter the cryptocurrency that you want. Number 4, you need to enter the address of your Kraken Exchange wallet that you previously generated and copied in the text box. Number 5, make sure that the blockchain network of your wallet in Kraken is exactly the same as the option to send your crypto in Coinbase. And number 6, click on send or submit button to start sending your crypto from Coinbase to Kraken. That's it. If you want to know more about cryptocurrencies, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.